Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something really exciting. If you've been following me on Instagram, then basically this is something I've been talking about since the very beginning of the year, and we've come full circle. This is the last video of the year. If you're watching it in the new year, Happy New Year. Very excited for 2020. I love the fact that it's a new decade, but all about fresh starts anyway. But at the beginning of the year I said I was thinking about purchasing this. It took me a really long time. The story behind why I did get it in the end was I was talking to my friend in the summertime and we were talking about Christmas and birthdays and stuff, and we decided to buy something a little bit extra special and combine the two. So her birthday is just before Christmas, mine is just after, and so we ordered this item, which is exactly the same each, but we chose different colourways. Also really excited to get this bag. It wasn't wrapped or anything, but I'd said to her there is like a specialty Christmas bag and I really want to get it, and we did, so that's exciting too. The word of the video is going to be exciting. So it is an unboxing of sorts, however, the bow fell off in the bag, and also because the bow had fallen off in the bag and my friend was going to unbox hers. If you saw my vlog, I did like a little tiny vlog that was basically us going to collect them, having a look at them, and then over some drinks and stuff, my friend like had a look at hers and see what fit inside it and stuff. So that might be interesting if you're interested in that. But she opened it and it was mine. So this is just kind of par for the course with the service we got on this particular occasion, because the woman took our order. It was amazing when we went to order the items. It was like a really nice experience, and then she said she would call us when they had arrived and make an appointment for us to come back in and collect them, and she never called us. We tried to call the store. We've only got obviously the number on the card. My friend called the head office and they couldn't tell us if the items were in. We had to go, and this is a distance from this is several towns away, so it wasn't easy to just pop in. So thankfully it was there, but the whole experience was kind of like, I don't feel like that particular sales assistant was really on the ball. And she said she tried to text us. It was a whole thing. Anyway, so it was a good job my friend opened it, because she had mine and I had hers. And so it is an unboxing, but technically she already unboxed it. You will know, obviously, from the title and the thumbnail what it is. I honest to God was, as I was opening it, then thinking, what if it's not mine? I would not have been surprised, even remotely, if it had not been mine. So it is the mini Pochette Mon Monogram. I'll be honest, I wanted the mini Pochette for years. It was never available. It's constantly out of stock. Very occasionally they'll get stock in store, but I don't have a relationship with a sales assistant where I can like get the, what's the word I'm looking for, inside track on these things. So I'm never going to be able to just randomly, it's going to be totally random if I find something like that. But that was part of the reason. I really wanted the mini Pochette, and I realised the only way I was ever going to get one was doing Mon Monogram. I also really liked the idea of Mon Monogram, but I was scared to do it on something large in case I didn't like it. I pretty much immediately knew these were the colours that I was going to go for. I think it's mustard and ivory, I want to say. I'd seen this done before. I think it works really well with the monogram canvas. I think it's just a really nice colourway with that, and I'm really happy with it. I have to say as well, I watch other people's unboxings like this and they're looking really carefully like, is everything lining up? Everything is like as it is supposed to be, and I'm looking at it thinking, I think so, I don't know, I'm not a professional, I think everything's good, but if you see something, I'm cool with it. I mean, I've seen some people mention that not the paint, I suppose it is the paint, but that the print goes like beyond the seam. Some people want that, some people don't want that. I like that it goes all the way up. I think everything looks neat. Everything looks kind of, you know, like people will talk about the symmetry and stuff. I'm not quite as bothered, truth be told, but I know that some people are. So if you're watching it and thinking, oh my God, there's a stitch out of place, it's cool. I haven't noticed it, it's fine. I'm just really happy with it. Not intending on using it with this tiny chain. Not 100% sure why. It has the tiny chain, completely honest. I mean, it's going to be cute like that. I'm going to do more videos on like what fits in this and ways to wear it and stuff, because I like the idea of trying to hook this onto the Pochette accessoire. I've seen videos where people have done this. They've kind of got to like maneuver it a little bit so that it fits, because it's not supposed to be done that way. Kind of in the same way as the what's it called? You know, the new bag that they brought out that's all the Pochette, like the coin case and the different pochettes. Multi-pochette, is that what it's called? I'm not really a massive fan of that, but I like the idea of doing something similar with the items that I've already got, and then this would be like a Mon Monogram version. And I'm also planning on putting it on a chain, because I put my Pochette accessoire on a chain as well, as like a little tiny bag. It's tiny, mini, but in the video, in the vlog of collecting it, my friend did talk about what fit in hers, and she could fit the Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder, her Chanel card holder thing, and a lip gloss. Obviously you can't fit a phone or anything, not in this day and age, phones are massive. But you can fit a decent, like the 6-ring key holder, she's got a massive car key on there. It fit in there. I think I could fit the majority of the stuff beside a phone that I would need to in here. And I think it looks really nice when it's kind of full as well. I think it's deceptive, it fits a lot of stuff. So you could potentially wear it as a little bag. But I am planning on wearing this or using this inside bags almost all the time. I'm scared about chipping and damaging the print. I am nervous of that because I have heard about wear, but it's something that I want to be able to use all the time, and so I'm gonna throw it in my bag and hope for the best. It's all you can do. Anyway, I just wanted to unbox it and show you, for those of you that have been waiting to see, because people have messaged me on Instagram like, are we finally going to see this? I'm like, yeah, when I do. It's crazy. We ordered it like middle of October, and we got it on the 27th of December, and only because we went into the store and asked about it. It was disappointing because when we originally went in, my friend had just bought her very first Chanel, and this was her first like major purchase. She went straight in there at her like dream bag, and her experience at Chanel wasn't that great. She felt like she was pressured, and like the sales assistant made it like, well, do you want it or not? She just didn't feel like it was a special experience, which obviously you want it to be because you're spending all that money, and that's half of it is the experience. And so we went to Chanel, when we went to Louis Vuitton, the experience was completely different. We sat down, everyone was really warm and friendly. They gave her a glass of champagne, Prosecco, whatever it was. And it was just like night and day. And so then for it not to be really smooth and like make the appointment, go back, and it to be the same again, then to kind of have been forgotten about was disappointing, because I wanted the whole thing to be like, see, I'm a massive fan of Louis Vuitton customer service. I think that when you go in, you feel really welcome, and I would have no problem walking in there, asking to try on a bag, having absolutely no intention of buying something, just wanting to know what something looked like on. I don't feel like it has the same kind of pretension, or at least in the ones that I've been to, because she went to London, I think she was on Bond Street. It was like I've been there and it is a different animal. Whereas in Leeds, you know, already we're up north. But I don't know, it just kind of like took the shine off a little bit, the experience, I think, but I will go back forever. And I love the piece. She got like a blue with, oh, I haven't shown you the inside, a blue with a pink inside. I chose orange on the inside, which I love. It's got all the things inside it there. And it's so cute. It's kind of cute. And the only reason I'm filming this now is so I can go and put things in it and put it in my bag. I'm really excited. I know this was rambly. I'm a love-hate person. I am a Marmite type of person. I get comments all the time like, get to the point, this was too long. This is just me. There's so many videos on YouTube from people talking about the same items. If you want a 2-minute video that's just super informative, they are there for you. I am not that person. I am, let's just talk about this thing I'm really excited about. So, you know, just to say, starting the new year right, I may or may not be for you, but I am who I am. And who I am is really excited with a new purchase. So thank you for watching. If you've got any questions that you think maybe I can answer, go ahead and leave them in the comments. Otherwise, one massive thing for the new year is going to be lots of changing of bags and SLGs. I'm going to make a conscious effort to do that more, because I want to do some what fits videos, because they are my favorites. When I'm looking for something as a purchase, or like just considering something, or even sometimes when I already have something and I just want to see how it's being used elsewhere, I love seeing what fits in certain SLGs and bags. So we're going to do lots of videos like that in the new year. If you've got any suggestions or requests for anything else, let me know. Other than that, Happy New Year, and I will see you guys in 2020.